Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this review on the Vinich MagSafe Wallet. So for someone who basically comes from a standpoint in which I usually use phone cases as my wallet, this one's actually quite useful. So I do want to thank Vinich for actually gifting this to me. And the reason why this is useful is because I film on my phone a lot, and so this actually serves multiple purposes. Of course, you have the wallet aspect, which is MagSafe, which you see right over here, and it also acts as a stand on your phone. But what really helps me out is that because my iPhone needs to be put on stands quite a bit, I can actually detach this wallet and my phone can actually fit onto the tripod or the stand or the gimbal. So if you're someone who films a lot, or if you're someone who basically needs to always take their phone out of the case just so that their phone can fit onto a tripod or gimbal, definitely check this out. I mean, I still need my phone as a wallet, but even so, being able to detach this is going to be really, really useful.